So today I am going to create my first ever paper craft, the Pencybot. But first, let me create a nasty atmosphere.
You ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record,
this atmosphere is delicious, so I'm going to create some concept vehicles.
Price for y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the bars, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. Done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow.
Concepts are done, so it's time to select a design. I'm going to call my friend. But wait, I have to find his number. There we go. Let's call. Yo, can you come over here to help me with something? Okay. Okay then, goodbye. Oh yeah, he said yes. Until he arrives, let's have some food. That was delicious. Let's play some games. Oh shoot, I think my friend has arrived.
Yeah! Yeah! I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions.
So I cut down my sketches into 3 different designs, and now I am letting my friend to choose a design for me. So he decided to go with this one, so I am going to sketch this one here. Alright mates, I am pleased with this design, so I am going to create a template for this one in my computer.
Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I don't know who's in front of me. Yeah. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get a stay.
Right, so the template is done. Now it's time to get a printout. We have our printout here, and also we have our board here. So let's glue this one. So I have just cut out everything, so let's build the vehicle now.
unstable. I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable. In my bed, all alone, never know.
Oh, my mates. Just finish the vehicle build and enjoy the reveal. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and we'll see you with another exciting project. Until next time, stay safe, be creative.
Over my run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back. Tell me I'm garbage.